Hello, and welcome to Summer's Sparkling Good Time. So, Kat, a channel member, decided she wanted to clean out her stash. And she sent everything she didn't want to me to do with as I see fit. So, as you can imagine, there's going to be a couple that are going to go straight to my stash because I know there's a couple that I'm like, I've been wanting those. And there is at least one I know of going straight to April because she does so much work for the channel with the Safe Not Safe game and so many other things, you guys. I couldn't even list it all. And then there's giveaways, prizes, and an Angry Jack. So we're going to do these videos. I'm going to do one video per box, I guess. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there'll be 7 videos, okay? But this is going to be the same opening for all 7 videos. It'll just make my life easier. All right, we're gonna begin. Okay, we're gonna start with the smallest box. This is video 1, box 1. Well, I have no idea what is in each box. I have kind of an idea of what I want is apparently in this box. But she just played Tetris is what she told me. So everyone make sure we say thank you to Miss Cat. Oh, we might only do 6 videos. Because there only appears to be one kid in here. This is Stargazing by Maddie Arts. This is the one kit that April truly wanted. So this is going straight to Miss April. This is a 22 by 31 inch or a 55.6 by 78.7 centimeter round drill kit. I will unbox it for you though. Okay, we of course have our toolkit, our origami envelope, sticker sheet, all right. Oh, man, I hate these older origami envelopes. They're just not a good time. The new ones with the diamonds on them, so much easier. Okay. Color palette. Isn't that pretty? It's all the pinks and purples and it makes my heart happy. I already have this kit, by the way, guys. It's already been unboxed on the channel. But for funsies, let's just look at all of the ones that she sent. Now, if I remember correctly, there's 28. All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Wow. And here is Stargazing by Maddie Arts. I'm going to bring it in closer for you guys. So we have the constellation and her looking up. Bend. The compass, the book, her beautiful outfit. I just like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I liked it so much I had already bought it. And this is the one that Miss April requested. So Miss April gets it. Because here's the brain and her does so much work for us. She does, you guys. She does so much work. Oh, wait. I never use the dust bags on my kits. But since I'm sending a lot of these out, we'll put the dust cover on. Maybe I'll put the dust cover on. Okay. That goes in there. This little thing goes there. Toolkit goes in there. Put it back in this box. And there's already a box in the midst of being shipped to Miss April. So we'll just put this right here for now. Okay. So the first of 7 boxes is empty. So let's open this other small one and see what's happening here. Oh. Ah, there's 2 in here. Oh gosh. Okay. So first up, we have Pink Treehouse by Auclair Studios. This is a 25.6 by 37.4 inch or 65 by 95 centimeters. And it is square drills. Let's take a closer look at it, guys. Okay, so it is one of the older styles. So we have the older style sticker sheet. And I told her not to worry about putting the old style toolkits back in because she'd already taken them out. Look at this, you guys. Look at all the pretty pink and purple. But pink. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is very, very pink. Very, very pink. All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? This is Pink Treehouse, and it is indeed super, super pink. Look at that. Oh, that is a beauty. Her is a beautiful, beautiful kit. It's not as much as confetti as I thought it would be either, you guys. It seems to be like quite a bit of color blocking or line blocking. Very little confetti. Now, the members only, so the paid channel members, there will be an additional video where I'm going through these after I've unboxed them all and tell you what they're earmarked for. I knew instantly that Stargazing was going to April because we had already discussed it. And she's like, I want that. Because I was like, is that it? Is that the only one you would? I think she has one other one that she was somewhat interested in. But I was also interested in it. So we'll just see. We'll see. Okay. Then number 3, and the last of this video, is All Guineas Do Go to Heaven by Mandie Manzano. Okay. This one is a 25.6 by 38.6 inch or 65 by 98 centimeter square drills. that back in there so it doesn't get lost. Old style pamphlet. Here is our old style sticker sheet with the original artwork. Isn't it a cutie patootie? That's a cutie patootie. My guinea pig lovers. Here is our color palette. I think I'm going to have to turn a light on. Hold on, let me see if I can make this any better. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. These vaulted ceilings. You being a good girl? Okay. Did that help any? So there's our color palette. Very, very pretty. Hello, Dippy Dippy. She's like, no, I'm going back to the fan, Mom. She's not about it. I have to turn the air conditioner on for the next video, or I will be sweating, having hot flashes. Here it is. All guineas do go to heaven. Okay. Bring it in closer. Look at the cute little guinea pig. Isn't it adorable? Moving on down to her dress and her wings. This is just gorgeous, you guys. This is so pretty. Where are my guinea pig lovers at? Oh, or like if one of your kids or grandkids had a guinea pig and lost them, this would be such a cute kit to do for them in memory of their little guinea pig. Okay, y'all. Let me get this. For the love of Pete. Okay. Oh. Sit. Nope. Okay. We're gonna wrap this bad boy up. And I'm gonna cut and I'm just gonna film one outro and add it to all of them, okay? Okay. I have filmed the unboxing. The grand total was 25 kits. I've also filmed the whip parade. I still have a Hobby Lobby haul to film. It is 11 o'clock. So we're just going to film a pretty short exit outro for this. And we're going to wrap it up. So, if you would be so kind as to boop my snoot, I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, boop the snoot just means hit that like button. It's a quick, free, easy way for you to support the channel, and I think you're awesome when you do so. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone you think might gain enjoyment from it. I promise not to be mad at you. As well as leave me a comment. Would there be any kits in here that you would like to see? And maybe like a the summer's treasure chest. So when you win a giveaway, you get to just choose one of the ones that are available. Some are going in the treasure chest. Let me know which one you're most excited about for each video, I guess. Also, don't forget to thank Kat because she's awesome and cannot believe she did this. Um, Also, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. It's also quick, easy, and free, and we'd love to have you. Um, we're a lot of bit of chaos, a lot of bit of fun. We have a good time over here, and we just keep it real. We're laid back, low key, and we have a good time. And we all know we have an addiction, and we enable each other. It is what it is. Okay. Um, Remember that the Facebook group is open. The memberships are open. Just come one, come all. We're having a good time. All right. All right. Until next time, I love y'all. Bye bye.